The Extractall Model S-981-2B benchtop air cleaning system gives you a safer, healthier workplace by capturing air contaminants directly at the source and safely removing them before clean air is released into the room. Each unique air cleaning system is designed for soldering, lab fumes and dust, cleaning with solvents, and numerous other applications which create airborne contaminants. The Extractall Model S-981-2B bench mount system comes with 2 sets of mounting brackets to attach easily to table or bench top, with the filter extending above or below. Multiple filter combinations are available to accommodate countless applications that require fume, dust, smoke, and vapor removal. All of our filter media is manufactured according to top industry standards. We pride ourselves on our ability to accommodate a wide range of customers. Each system comes standard with a 3-year manufacturer warranty and is designed, machined, and assembled in the United States. We constantly strive to meet our customers' needs by developing unique new products.